Welcome to Retired Backyard Birders. Today's study is on the red-bellied woodpecker. The description of the red-bellied woodpecker: he's 10 inches long, robin-sized, barred black and white above, pale buff below. Sex is similar, except that male has red crown and nape. Female has red nape only. A red patch on the lower abdomen is seldom visible in the field. Their voice is a chuck, 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 descending in pitch, also a loud, oft-repeated chirr. Their habitat is open and swamp woodland, comes into parks during migration and to feeders in winter. Their nesting is 4 or 5 white eggs in a tree cavity, often at the edge of woodland. They range from chiefly southeastern United States, west to Texas, ranging north to Minnesota, Michigan, and Connecticut. The common woodpecker over much of the South, it is scarcer farther north, but has expanded its breeding range in recent years to New York and southern New England. Like most woodpeckers, the zebraback is beneficial, consuming vast numbers of wood-borne beetles as well as grasshoppers, ants, and other insect pests. It also feeds on acorns, beech nuts, and wild fruits. It is one of the woodpeckers that habitually stores food.